The Moses Mabhida Stadium is full of excitement and energy today as the Umkhonto Wesizwe marked its first anniversary with a large-scale celebration. Supporters from across the country flocked to the iconic venue, eager to show their elegance and partake in the festivities. The party's leader and former president of South Africa, Jacob Zuma, is set to address the crowd in a highly anticipated speech scheduled between 2 o'clock and half past 2. Known for his enduring influence and charismatic presence, Zuma's words are expected to resonate deeply with the gathered masses. Adding to the excitement, Duduzane Zuma, the son of Jacob Zuma, made a surprise appearance dressed in MK regalia. His arrival sparked a wave of enthusiasm among attendees, with many fans rushing to take pictures and cheer for him. The crowd's reaction highlighted his growing popularity and the admiration he commands within certain circles. As the supporters are singing, dancing, and waving the flags, the atmosphere at the stadium is electric, underscoring the MK party's significant milestone and loyalty of its followers. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.